Hello friends, Manisha here, and welcome to E&T Recipes. Today, I'm making a unique and refreshing breakfast, something light and perfect for summer. It's called Summer Breeze Poha. Poha, a light and fluffy dish made with flattened rice or beaten rice, a staple in Indian breakfasts. Yes, breezy, because it's cool and refreshing, thanks to one special ingredient, cucumber. You might have had flattened rice before, maybe the chat style or with crunchy toppings, but this version is different. It's light, hydrating, and packed with summer goodness. Let's get started. First, we'll rinse the flattened rice or poha thoroughly. Wash it 4 to 5 times under running water and then leave it in a colander to drain completely. Let it sit for a few minutes. This helps the poha soften up and fluff out just right. No clumping, no sogginess, just light, airy flakes. Next, let's prep our star summer ingredient, cucumber. Take a large cucumber, peel it, and grate it using a medium grater. You don't want it too fine, just enough texture for a good bite. I've already taken about 1.5 cups of soaked poha. And now I'm mixing in the grated cucumber. Now comes the flavor. To the cucumber poha mix, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of a green paste made with mint, cilantro, ginger, and green chilies. That's it. No turmeric this time. We're keeping it fresh and green. Mix it all gently so the cucumber and spices blend nicely with the poha. Let's make the tadka, or tempering, to bring it all together. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, any light cooking oil works just fine. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, a few chopped green chilies, grated ginger, some fresh curry leaves, and about 1 tablespoon of split chickpeas. Let everything sizzle and become aromatic. You can also add some peanuts here. They add a nice crunch. If you're not a fan, feel free to skip them. Now, pour the tempering into the flattened rice mix. Keep the heat on medium and gently stir everything together. Give it a quick taste. You can add a bit more salt if needed. To balance the flavors, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, just enough to complement the tang. Then, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of grated coconut. This adds richness and that light tropical touch. Finish it off with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. It gives the poha that perfect sweet, sour, salty balance. Top it all off with some freshly chopped cilantro. Wow, So refreshing. And there you have it. Our Summer Breezy Poha is ready. It looks so fresh, light, and colorful, and it's ready in just about 10 minutes. Perfect for a quick, healthy breakfast or brunch. The cucumber makes it super light, and the lemon and herbs just lift everything up. You've got to try this at home. This light and breezy poha is giving total feel-good movie vibes. If this dish reminded you of any movie, maybe something comforting, heartwarming, or just plain fun, drop the name in the comments. What's your go-to favorite film while enjoying a cozy meal like this? This isn't an average cooking channel. We're all about fun, flavorful, and easy-to-make recipes that'll surprise your taste buds. So, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and stick around because you don't want to miss the next drool-worthy dish coming your way. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.